Welcome back to part 2. We were discussing about the kinds of sentences and we have already discussed the first two kinds of sentences, that is assertive sentences and interrogative sentences. Now let's talk about imperative sentences, that is the third kind of a sentence. Imperative sentences. Now, what are imperative sentences? Imperative sentences are simply the kinds of sentences that express strong feelings. Strong feelings. They give command and ask for request. And here the subject you is hidden. Let me explain you with the help of an example. Wait for me. Here it is a kind of a command that is being given by someone to somebody. Wait for me. You can also say that here you, that is the subject, is hidden. You wait for me. So this is a kind of an imperative sentence. Second, you can say as please give me a glass of water. It's a kind of a request that somebody is making. It is starting with the word please, so we can identify it's a request, and it is ending with a full stop. Third sentence you can say is clean your room right now. It is again an imperative sentence where a command is being given by somebody to someone to clean the room right now. So these are examples of imperative sentences where strong feeling is expressed, command is given, request is made. Now let's talk about the fourth kind of a sentence, that is exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences, they are also kind of sentences that express strong feelings. For example, what a beautiful sight, ending with an exclamation mark. Exclamatory sentences always end with exclamation mark. Second, you can say as this is a huge, again ending with an exclamation mark. So exclamatory sentences express strong feelings in the form of what a beautiful sight or this is a huge fish, end with an exclamation mark. Every sentence which is an exclamatory sentence is going to end with an exclamation mark. Now अब एक चीज की confusion होती है कि imperative sentences के example में भी there is exclamation mark and exclamatory के end में भी exclamation mark है. तो how to identify कि imperative sentence दिया हुआ है या exclamatory? बहुत सिंपल है. Exclamatory sentences WH फॉर्म में होगा, how से स्टार्ट होगा, what से स्टार्ट होगा, this से स्टार्ट होगा, जो आपके imperative और हमेशा exclamation mark से end होगा. There is no full stop in exclamatory sentences. But imperative sentences में जो sentences exclamation mark से end हुए हैं, आप notice करिएगा वो हमेशा action word से start होते हैं. यहाँ ये sentence action word से start नहीं हुआ, request make हो रही है, ये end हुआ full stop से. इधर wait for me, clean your room right now. These two sentences, they are starting with action words and that is why they are ending with an exclamation mark. So this is how you can identify which sentence is imperative or which sentence is exclamatory. I hope all the four kind of sentences are clear to you. If you have any query, you can always ask in the comments below. I'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, keep learning.